Wagwan ENT.
Wow! Renaissance forever! Sound the big thing there! Well, anyway, this is the week, but mighty Renaissance. You know it's all about Renaissance. Renaissance on the premises! My God, we're representing for Renaissance. Out and bottom, yo, Renaissance! I know this ain't no scam, this is the number one sound system around the nation. We are telling say, yo, stand up alongside Renaissance. Bless up on the rain, no stresses. Pull it. Alright. Yeah. I'm gonna say fight against those that fight against I and strive with those that fight with I. Yo, I'm gonna say I the Selassie is the Almighty, you know. Okay, Renaissance, it's a blessing. All along, it's love what the people want. I'm gonna say holy man like King Selassie, Jah. Rastafari, yeah. Renaissance, I tell you, whoa. Rise to the occasion, look at yourself and say you're strong. No one can stop you, whoa. Rise to the occasion, look at yourself and say you're strong. Renaissance say, it's for you to make the best in the Renaissance. Now that you've got the chance to get up and step towards your goal, it's so it's for you to make the best in the now that you got a chance. Yeah, I'm gonna say it like that. Boom, sound Renaissance. Once again, this is a calamity. I don't know. Renaissance, I say they can't keep a good man down. Keep my joy when they want me to frown. Rastafari, I am govern the ground. They could never ever take thy crown. Renaissance say who's a place, I say no man. Things getting better and I thought it would be worse. Here comes the officers, they're asking for a search. I doctor treat them, no point, no weapon, and them can't put jerks. Cause fathers our leaders are wrong. Just can't stop us now. Okay, people will say this and that. They just can't stop us. Renaissance, whoa. Even when they set up their plan, they just can't stop us. The Lord I tell them, even when they set up no love, they just can't stop us now. Renaissance.
Son boy get defeated. Yo, no send them down bad like queen. We kill them in that sound clash tonight. Renaissance sound, yeah. We've got some dubs here. Them firing like some nucleus. Who wanna sound this with no time? It's like the day that them this week. It couldn't last forever. Them can't say them sorry. Now them a get murdered, it's cold outside. And we have to kill a sound guy, I remember when them tried. Renaissance killed them so easily. This a the killing anniversary, boy. What a we won't, hey, it's about to be. Hot. Black side in the building, Taurus Riley. Renaissance song for a lifetime. Watch I know. Beware. Renaissance wells trouble. X amount of dub for burn the place down flat. Beware. Sound boy don't attack a man of fear. No. Hey, it's a joy to see some fool come hype up themselves. We kill them easily. Don't have to work up yourself. Hey, Jazzy Tay, free the youths off the shelf. Got hardcore music, good for your health. So don't never try to diss the pattern. A Dr. Dre govern up the nation. And Renaissance no afraid of no one. To every sound boy abroad and in a Jamaica, my lord. Beware, Renaissance well at X amount of dub for on the place down flat. Beware. Some boy don't attack us. Hey, some sound want clash, but them have no tune. Some boy a hype, but him know him sound dumb.
Jaja City, Jaja Town, can't turn it in a cowboy town. When you look at no, Jaja City, Jaja Town, Renaissance are the champion sound. When you look at no, Mr. John Croy, Chuck off and John Brown. We are gonna kill them in a New York town. Mr. Happy got so lucky, Chigapi. So we killed all the dead body. Well, Mr. Joe kill quick. We don't want no more it. Just give them grave and give them casket. Cause life we promote, which is righteousness.
Renaissance I kill those sounds. Whoa, right now. Renaissance are the champion sound, yeah. Whoa, right now. Renaissance killer jump and sound. Whoa, right now. Renaissance are the ruling sound, yeah. Whoa, right now.
To the graveyard they go. Renaissance kill them right now. Rastafari bruising brains, and we killing jump and sound right now. To the slaughterhouse they go. Renaissance kill them now. I Selassie, I lives and reigns, and we killing jump and sound right now.
Hey, sound boy, we shoulda never end up in a clash together and now. Before Renaissance start to murder, Renaissance we no come here with no pity. We come for kill sound tonight.
Gun people so Renaissance.
You know we come here so to take a few lives. We not show no pity. I want my, we not come here with no pity. Renaissance I don't know tonight. Renaissance come here so to take a few lives.
We don't want to borrow them so bright. A Renaissance sound, run up in the bar and just kick over them turntable. Murder certain jump and yes we willing and we able to kill cause we are done. As some belongs along with no time for murder sound. We don't need no helping hand. I'ma pray for you and spend a life and lend a peace of mind. Anywhere we stepping up we know a murder time. In every single line, all we need no rhyme. We got kick with people.
No gun people so Renaissance.
No gun people so Renaissance. Say them a test we out, them the box no strong.
The Renaissance made a sacrifice for you girls, to make the dancer run right and run through. We see a corrupt sound, one come for any avenue. So what them sight and the boy them get blue, because them get caught up within their world. Them get mixed up within their more, you know. Them say them want to be like Renaissance sound. The boy them never want to be them own self, but you dust them today, you know. A Renaissance run the land, yeah. Oh man away, you know. A Renaissance because them want, yeah. You dust them today.
A Renaissance is number one for a lifetime. Some boy pack up and cry. A Renaissance is number one for a lifetime. Imagine I was trying to find some music for my song. Went to hear a song boy, but he was so cold, and there it was standing there, just like a champion. Ooh, I started to take a listen and I could not believe to hear a wicked sound playing reggae just for me. Number one, I know it, so now it's time for me to show it. That's why we're saying, ooh, I never knew it before the sun so crisp. Select a dilly at the top of the list. Cause Renaissance is number one for a lifetime. That's why we're saying, oh, you never dream of a night like this. You get selection till you start feeling sick. Cause Renaissance is number one for a lifetime. Ooh, Renaissance.
Ilano, you like Chelsea, years man. Chelsea T, don't spread at all. Renaissance, they have to run dancehall. Oh yeah. Renaissance teach the people. Renaissance.
Over hills and valleys too. Don't let them fool you. Don't you believe some sound, they just won't like you. And you teach the people. Close over hills and valleys too. Don't let them fool you. Renaissance, no, 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 no.
See, we must have find a place to dance in this dancehall, invaded by jump and sound. And we will arrest my weary head. We rock and listen, Renaissance and a play instead. Some say it's a runway, and by that man must ensure them made.
Hey, boy, your gun people so Renaissance.
I feel like running stage and find me a place where Renaissance plays. Yes, I'll take me over into the valley. I'll find me a place where Renaissance some plays. Yes,
worries and problems. Somebody you back up in a roadblock. Renaissance step on the exit. Oh well. Tonight so many people gonna see Renaissance.
Hey, your gun people so Renaissance.
Tonight so many people gonna see Renaissance. Murder you jump and sound. Let me tell you, goof them and get me safety goof them. Renaissance goof them with the rubber dub selection. Renaissance goof them and get me safety goof them. Renaissance goof them with the dub selection. Cause and then your mama can't help you when Jazzy play. Your daddy can't help you when they learn on them a fling down selection. Say no, he that sound can't stick around. Whoa.
Champion sound, Renaissance lost. I'm in the mood to give me some Renaissance. Come, let's throw one down. Give me the reading, cause I've got a feeling, Lord, you know, I'm in the mood to kill a sound. Renaissance, come, let's throw one down. Give me the reading. Now I've got a feeling, champion sound. There's never a sound like this. You know, Renaissance taking a mess. Wonder why people love you so. You give them the feeling.
Hey, boy, your gun people so Renaissance. No gun people so Renaissance.
Renaissance, come, let's throw one down. Give me the reading. Now
Renaissance la 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 la. Hey, them no have sense. Now them select where they be a hit it stand your point. Them no have sense. Now them select where they be a hit it. Hear this. Renaissance ever fit. Fit. Renaissance ever fit. Fit. The Renaissance sounds so smart. Smart. Renaissance sounds so smart. Smart. Well, in the morning as I rise, put on my trucks, gonna exercise. Renaissance just make me fit. Fit. Walk on the road, me no trouble, no one, me no eat no steak, me no eat no ham. Grandma grew me as a vegetarian. Music is my occupation. When I don't feel go lick some yam. Lick some kind of music like a shaman.
yo, Jazzy T.
Hey, boy, your gun people so Renaissance. No gun people so Renaissance.
Renaissance sound. Dash them body pon the hillside. When nobody know them for turn to. Renaissance sound. Dash them body pon the hillside. I'll be a gun in our circle. Renaissance sound. Dash them body pon the hillside. Hillside we kill boy and no one said them lost and can't find body pon the hillside. When nobody know them for turn to. Renaissance sound. Dash them body pon the hillside. Hillside with no friends, nigga. Rather run from wild lockdown, friend killer. Rather sleep in a tree where bitch care, we put them nest.
I will up them jazzy. Hey, Renaissance where you been through hills and valley and survive out of the old gangster alley. No fun chat, jazzy, skip and dally. When them think we dead back in the juggling, we rally. We hold them and pop it off. Bogus man where we rip off. Oh, you get the broadside, check it off. Come and get the broadside, rip off. Renaissance, come and rip it off. For the me Bible and me prayers and me father with this word, with me blessings and me blessings. So me step it out the road. Destination leads to Zion, so me must follow the code. Don't you stop with no.
Alright, hey, so me go say, show me uno ano, all original, then you are the champion, me Renaissance I say, show me uno fail. Well if uno ready, figure take the bang mail, you feel we go so, show me uno ano, all original, then you are the champion, Renaissance I say, show me uno fail. Well if uno ready, figure take the bang. Renaissance don't just step up in the pressure we no fade. A Renaissance, bust up the dubs and get paid. Then Renaissance, you first of a son boy pardon parade. Then Renaissance, you right back up in the shade. The Renaissance, is scared to not get the made. Renaissance, you can't get in and no red. And tell them say you're not gonna let the dubs and grenade. And tell them say you're not afraid.
Renaissance plays the chalice, make the ones that come from. It make we go so, we make it go so. Smoke the herbs, the herbs, the herbs, the herbs, the herbs. Renaissance sound, we make the chalice go so. Give it the weed, the weed, the weed.
I from the start on the Renaissance sound and I burn the ganja pot. Some jump and test and no said that no right. Dubplate a kick from left to right. So the bright some sound bright when they want to start to fight. We rough, Renaissance we tough. We and that was sense away on that way. Only like it. And that was sense away on that was sense. And that was sense away on that was sense we rough. Renaissance is too close. Renaissance
I got the stalker sense in me, holding down the dance. Renaissance, I got the stalker sense in me, holding down the dance.
No gun people so Renaissance. No gun people so Renaissance.
Couple shot them get that in a bungle and parade. Bona,
yes man.
Bona, nana, Bona.
I told you I game chuck. Renaissance, tell them this enough. Check it. Think them bad like a steel plate line up them chests. Well a Renaissance them fit test. Come this murderer when have no mercy, remorse nor regret. Boy get copper shot, excess. Them feel like them bad like them take wicked man preferred. Throw them in and fill them backyard. Well same place front and them brethren them dead like a dog. Renaissance collect all we want. Sound killer. Jazzy sound killer. Tiki do na. Delano. Murder them already, we go and murder them again. Dust them already, we go and dust them again. Pepsi. Kill them already, we go and kill them again. We a sound killer. Yes, we a sound.
A bad man sound and a clown sound. We run the town, we run the town, we run the town, we run the whole Bumbleclad compound. Zaga, 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 Renaissance, Batman sound. A Renaissance, say, how would you feel if you wake up one morning and saw Renaissance M16 nozzle at your jaw? You feel like you want to disappear, but you can't. Because of Jazzy T, we now walk with the law. Bad man, we shot your fear straw.
Yeah, this is Steve Marley alongside Gangzilla. Yeah. Renaissance sound, top sound, Jazzy T, Dre, Billy, Sidla Bamba Lamba Lamba Loo. Say Renaissance sound and sound jazz. In your army. Say Jazzy T is a soldier. In your army. Foundation only place
Renaissance sound and run and trace. You know the king of kings in grace. Give Jah all your thanks and praise. Judge my fortune and my fame. Never sell out just to maintain. Loyally and I remain. They listen to do the same. I say, hey, hey, hey. Yeah. I got this. Loyally and I remain. I would say to do the same. Yeah,
how you mean? Only Renaissance sound can sit down pan town and chase some little sound boy from out of the town and take on Babylon and even post pound for pound without even blemish in their royal gown.
Talk about anthem, we mean the national anthem. This big heavyweight sound Renaissance, classic, and a sound boy better feel it. Jazzity, old type Lano, strategy, Oxtail. I actually read dance smart.
Do that too.
Renaissance. Hear this.
We used to lick Chinese cook idols too together. Play football and cricket as one brother. Not who you rest at younger, or you might black or be mother. You want to fight against your brother. Tell them Renaissance you have a sound boy on the Honda.
Hear this. We used to let Charlie's cook idols too together.
Renaissance a ruling sound. Listen, close your eyes, give me your hand.
Renaissance.
Can you feel Renaissance playing? That sound don't understand. Do you feel the same?
Yeah, man, the big bad Renaissance.
Am I only dreaming?
Vice the one called Big Gangzilla, a legendary Renaissance.
Cause eternal flame.
One of the way. I son boy I go feel it no how. I son boy I go feel it no how. The Renaissance to walk them no how. I son boy I go feel it no how. Why? We just whoop and a bop. I son boy try. Because somebody and a dog die. It's a Renaissance sound at the cream to the crowd. Because somebody guess what?
Hear me now. Be wise now, sound boys. I listen to the big sound Renaissance, yeah. In this judgment that you've got to be strong, yeah now. For as sure as the sunshine, Jazzity, I beat them and I win on my time. Won't stop, won't give up the fight. Murder them with all your might, then I know Dr. Dre, I go do it. Kill a little sound and win on my neck. Songboards know not a minute of the hour. Play the best you can, I say. Renaissance, I go do it. Murder idiot sound win on my head. Things you wanna achieve in the dance is there for you, son boy, if you try. Murder them, a Renaissance, murder them. Oh well now.
Idiot sound, going down. You're just a clown, yeah. That's why the massive cry. Renaissance, murder this clown, you have to wait. Right now, oh now. We can't listen, don't jump on no more. No way. It's getting rough, way too rough, you say. And yes, right now, we'll make them knock on them coffin door. Renaissance make a sound boy, a knock on them coffin door.
If Jah is standing by your side, then why should you be afraid of the pestilence that crawleth by night? If Jah is standing by your side, then why should you be afraid of the pestilence that crawleth by night? Your best you try to harm I and I ain't meant to kill, but we love you still, because you are here to make prophecies full.
Renaissance killer. Well, there is no sound in the business. We test the Renaissance sound.
Renaissance done them in a the victim. Take over some boy and take with them crown. You're not different from those scribes and Pharisees who come around. They lurk in the corner, skylark in the street, flirt in the town. They never do positive. Always find a time making people business their own. Dance a yard before you dance abroad. Renaissance tell you that can you go frown. Renaissance you just kill sound, kill sound. You know business who want build sound. Just it you just
Renaissance, murder sound, chastity, the land of real. Sniper, we don't beg no friend. Kill them again. Kill them now. Them and them friend. Try them a send. Yo, them a wonder how we do this Renaissance in that clash, yeah. Them want stop it, but as them sound get murder, them heart it at twist. Murder jump and them can't stop it. Sound forget murder, Jazzity is so sick. Them grow with hate till them quick, but as the clash get longer, he then heart it and it. We now beg enough for sponsor. Watch this. This a
yeah man. Run them out to town. Yeah man, I'm gonna sound something. Run them out to town. Hey, Jazzity, hey, Delana, hey, Pepsi Doctor, they make them know gun people so every time we burn a fire upon a weak sound, and them free talk could never get me down. And though they try to use I and abuse I, we leave them with a brown Renaissance go phone up.
But he's the Jazzity, more like Delano and Dre. This is Vincent, it's a message. Come on, take it away.
Oh, long way, blood was so white. Didn't go, yeah. Doesn't matter what you pay now, some boy. As long as you're not paying right, you're gonna die tonight, yeah. So why, when you try to test the Renaissance sound and try to come take our crown, you will get thrown down. What's it? Renaissance sound.
Jazzity, want to some clown. Well, some sound a chatty tight, them full of pure shit. Shoulda named Bruce Lee to the way them a flip. Must you only know one letter in alphabet. Why for yourself pussy son you a bitch. Pan Jazzity you go hide and snitch. Think we no know so you is a little pussy hole. Anyway, Jazzity, I'm just some pussy.
No gun people so Renaissance.
But badness them just attack. Them not do it when Renaissance about the road. Them bumbo while they asleep. But them shut up the jeep with police. I just say big as 4 box out empty. Nobody just push him out. Girl them push him out. Don't talk with him, push him out. The girl them just suss him out. Some madness, put him out. Sniper rifle.
Renaissance. A gunshot, we give them from them violent days. Must be my fucking enemies because we surely ain't friends. To them I know we living on a down low. It's so what the Renaissance I say, ain't the land I say gunshot. We give them from the violent days. Must be my fucking enemies because we surely ain't friends. To them no know we living on a down low. Big battle on the sands I tell you so. Just it is a bust it up. Blah blah bullets to them make me come fi fuck it up. Rah rah fuckers them a dead. Don't miss a bust it up. Blah blah bullets to them make me come fi. We come fi Renaissance.
Sound boy head a bus where Dre where the gun there. Kill from Sunday to Sunday. Jazzity tell a jump and pay runway. Cause anytime we gun rise up head a go bust. Jump and a gunshot in a your face. If a pussy you a taste in a real life. In a real life. When Renaissance a play jump and a get embrace in a real life. In a real life. A cap a shot in a your face. If a pussy you a taste in a real life. In a real life. Who say Renaissance sound not rich nowhere? Suck out your woman till she try it. Hey jumper, you a a go dead when we rise and knock it. The land no go and go rise one shot it. Yeah, we a go up in some head like Africa. The killer jump and they know so.
This and never spy. Find out you a chat a box of fussy gonna die. Them make policeman like a renaissance another night. Safety make them beat you up and we up a rock. Why? Them say you qualify. Video fee. You tell me cause a woman say you see my Jimmy. Now you chat to police must see you fucking in and you. Yeah, you say you never talk but me no say that you. Yeah, you wait for your
hey, this a one and no remix. This a one remake. The shot of the open. Yes, it does bad. Well, this a no mistake. Right in the studio, I write just for me. When me tell them, Renaissance, but like a yas, oh yeah,
up in here, we ain't going nowhere. Hey yo, deal it, one time, Jazzy, oh, Popsy. Hey yo, Pepsi, one time, Kareem. Hey yo, chicken, you know, Renaissance. Sound boy dead wrong, you kill them now. That are your intention. Kill them now, sound class the situation. Them face Renaissance, well them is a dead man. Tell me now, kill a sound boy now. Kill them now, that are our intention. Kill them now, sound boy, because you're dead wrong. Your face Renaissance, well you is a dead man. No me now go shut me mouth, they took me up to speak it out. Do them want to get me out, still not talk it all about. Kill them down and not a sound, we kill them all without a doubt. Son boy looking at me gun mouth. Them don't know the half of it. Flash is just a part of it. If them say the heart of it, them don't know the heart of it. This is just the start of it. When the start of it, them in. Son boy, you want to put it down.
I'm the camera, the camera, the cam. Because this and the law, no a murder sometime. We kill them now, we kill them dead, them dead. The Renaissance, you large and in charge. I know any sound can test you. A yard night that test you abroad. You turbocharge, and rough then wrong way. Renaissance, you large and in charge. And rough then wrong way.
Jazzy, you have a murder them. The land you have a murder them. Dr. Dre, tell them. Boom, what this? What that a Renaissance? It a clap. Boom, what this? What that Renaissance kills that? Boom, what this? What that a Renaissance? In my shop. Boom, what this? And tell them this. Renaissance sound. Barra them, 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 barra them. Kill them again, kill them again, kill them again, kill them again. Barra them, barra them, barra them. In band badder than them and grow rougher than them. All them a move and go on a Renaissance. Set the training band wicker than them, dress thicker than them. In my leaf and in my root and in my branch and in my stem. What take them? Renaissance a true band legend. Better than this is 75 and that goes way above them.
Jazzy give them some fat shot. Question time. When you ever pill a cup of shot out of 1 cent. When you ever par with Renaissance or the president, make one pop out a bicycle bar yet. And make police boy run left them chariot. You ever fire gunshot go so far yet. You want fire links and base of this you ever war yet. When you ever hile gun with machine lube yet. Bury you no gun in a car tire tube yet. You ever bust a pint 50 or a Ruger. M4 Benelli or German Luger. Put Pepsi on a gun when it rusty. Bust your gun till it nozzle smell musty. When you ever give a boy a telephone scar yet. Or gun but somebody with a SLR yet. Make a fire in pin out a wall nail. Make a fight from my
Renaissance to come for big up all the shot of them. How the way smart of them. Believe come on a slap of them. A batter tree a batter them. They come from round a block of them. Coulda way them a defend. Now they from back a current. We choke like a maca them. But I watch we on the slack of them. Mama man character them. Musicians and actor them. The influential factor them. Society no lock of them. Yo that get it hot again. Take up all the black and three. Turn the freaking lot. So Renaissance make we see the hand. If you want a mama man and you not go charge you one. It's only food you mock up on. But some no right and sell the wall. If them made that dash run. Them rockin' a brick wall. Renaissance every damn day. We rise the dirty Uzi and spray. Any pussy where you go like them bad like say them killy when them like feather. Renaissance we murder boy and take them cheddar. The charge is the party. We give the whole of them a captive for carry. Don't touch our war. None of them boy they can't get free.
Still I see I federal Pepsi
blazing a smoke. And welcome Chronics, the general. Watch I know. Whoa, whoa, whoa. We step in a the bar, make a entry. When it's me innings, Chronics make a century. Sting Chalice, we have the better sense. He better that than we have better plenty, boy. Them a pre-man in the city. Get we find out them a demon in the city. When it all boil down, deep on integrity, see it clear. They mix up in a iniquity, jazzy. Step in a the wild battlefield with the vegan and sprinkle. I'll have me feet, them no one Renaissance pen. Kyle and me seat, but still I see a gym we guide and we shield smoke. Them a pre-man in the city. Get to find out them a demon. And when it's hard,
Renaissance sound, watch this. So we no worry about bad mind people. When the man chant, we no matter about that. Renaissance could always try to over evil. And a father God have we back. Remember that we no worry about wicked heart people. All who a wish visit the liquor food stop them a go flap. Could always try to over evil. And a father God have him. Well, Jazzy I tell them God a protect us so we don't have any phobia. We no fear no evil. We no afraid of them phobia. For them a run up. We know them by them older. But we no afraid of none of them island them border. No parchment, no yard.
MSA Renaissance. But the bomber has got this some look a bad mind blood clots like a what? All them do is watch people bomber clap business and them. If you know how we set the chain, I could have do them on them. Them a pretend, she no want no bad mind friend. Clear off. Renaissance and if you know your money enough. I am not in no boasting. Just in no join the mark and toasting. Your money enough, and it's not like closing. You know join the mark and the land. You know listen them and them a chat them red. No name for them call them mocking bad. Bad mind, no, chat them red. Them too bad mind. Renaissance, Chazity, no son can't kill we. Tell them don't try, tell them can't take the G from we. We are prepared for we enemy. What's to do with things and them want to take the keys from me. We know them can't kill we. Tell them don't try. We know none of them never build we. No them can't kill we. No son boy can't kill we. No, hey, my boy.
Renaissance. Yeah, Dr. Marshall and Delaney. People bury. Yeah, wicked man sound Renaissance. Batty guys, so we can't tell them if run like that. I'll come with him. Wicked man, bounty killers, big red road. Boom down the mic to take people life in a broad deal life. Renaissance. People life gone to scan. Up here gunshot a one. Guy, they're gravy, man.
We don't gun people so Renaissance. No gun people
I'm
so
on no
Renaissance.
side Renaissance on the better gun. No wait till we back with over we gun. Now we pop out, we gun. Well, he pop blood that go run. X amount of people life ago. Renaissance, copper shot. Remember me telling you just that here day. Man, I've got so much mad no manga come make us flirt. Dirty with guns and come back. Well then, Renaissance we kill 100 pounds back.
Yo. Sang digga digga dang dang dang. Bang 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 ding bang bang dang bang bang dang 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 bang bang dang bang bang. Yo, Chazity, tell them man a bad man, wicked man, attack man for toy. Glock in a me and more, kill and destroy. Murder your mama, make your papa start dry. You this Renaissance, oi. Anyway then, mama your son him a go die. 21 Dubplate blow, the post was sky high. Me sing again, mama your son him a go die. You this Renaissance, I get a shot in your eye. Me sing along, mama your son him a go die. 21 Dubplate blow, the post was sky high. Me sing again.
Delano, hey yo, Jazzy T, one time Dr. Dre. Yo, informant, no feel live. Whether them whole are you know new kids. Go get the Glock and the Ziggs. What up with them pigs? Gunshot to them face and the wigs. Missing, I got your spy them feed I copper shot in on them out. Or in on them high Renaissance. From you a spy your feed I. Suspects say you work with FBI. Tell a boy, running on me gun and dead. Now mongrel dog a fight with them head. Why? All a plea and ball. Renaissance come to kill them. Look at that straight. Why? Mama splash from all them.
Well.
18th of 2004 again. Blood a go back on them skull a fi go pour again. Them should not make me rise up me pour again. When Renaissance a go kick off your door again. Shot a go beat from ceiling to floor again. Me murder 18 a dozen and more again. Them blood already say them must die for sure again. Renaissance have done about 4 of them. Well, I be gun me boss in a gun me choice. Telling farmers shut them one by the doors.
When me gonna rush when them bust them no blush. This party
we cold-hearted and dangerous. Not a shot after dark. The road boy no trust how we are. Merciless and vicious. And we now got the name from a bunch of the buster. Moving cold-hearted and merciless. Everything we just pick up. We not taking a check. Circumspect. With the big inch I take and then they put across the border. I'm eating best. So we are all who next the way cripple. Who next the way kill? Who next the god liar? Go right them will are. Who next the way send them go under the ground? Who next watch out to the big magnum? Who
we kill it. No mercy. I got a bigger man from uptown, not from downtown, not from out of town. The man from anywhere around. Renaissance, I heard of some sound missing. No, you're dead, your mother ball. Renaissance, name your cartoons, something men feet all love story. Renaissance, we gonna concept like our hall. You not only powder hot like a man, you put a big or small, put a long or tall. Renaissance, you know what this way, all the way that go fall. And your man down we cry, and your daddy we ball. We don't play on stage.
Renaissance, oh gas them up, how we gon' bust the cylinder. Matic in a lock, ready, I'll crack the window. We don't blind, ripped in a chest, we no ninja. One of the strength in a me index finger. Bust the cylinder, cooler than winter. Chassis dog, you never left the incha. Take what them like, them coulda faster than the sprinter. Pussy a joke, just step bad man timber.
Yo, me tell them caution, Renaissance step on patrol. We no kill teach you good at
Renaissance,
with your pass and your money, you got no man gun. Can't buy people life, you can't save people's soul. Slaughter, when boy I stop the cash flow. And I look comfortable while resentment a grow. You a touch, a deal is fortunate, a life slow. Or you be reap wealth when I hear them.
Renaissance is a murdering dam. We're a slaughtering dam. Renaissance ain't go to back out of no war. And we don't give a fuck who you are. This ain't Fred Flintstone. And bedrock is not my home. A boy this song coming at the war zone. No Renaissance gunshot, don't leave him alone. Gunshot, some boy deserve mother run Ghana station down back serve when the blood one purge. Original bad boy again. Dylan, Dr. Dre, Michael, Leslie, Devon, Richard. Shot boy this tap out. Goofy, Cabra again. I said, well, this me and me big gun. Renaissance, so will no long story. Flay, black blood, gun no fling rock you. This Renaissance life is history. Perp. This way, and we big gun on the street. You will never live to tell people you do it when you this the land. And them big gun, a big gun with a sofa, a be a murder, a be a gunshot, no style. Yabba dabba do this and Fred Flintstone. Gunshot give one notice, we leave town.
And Mr. Chicken, some little fastest be flipping and skipping, but Big Mac 11 and 45 will be dipping. Renaissance. Me up a real Renaissance to hold the faith. And them a make Jamaica feel proud. Where Sham say, run a fire, run a bull, run a beat. We're walking a body man crowd. Where Sham say,
whoa, Lord, Lord. Renaissance, we la. None of them over there, so. Me sing, none of them pussy then a bad like way. None of them pussy then a soft like way. None of them pussy then a raw. Life is a treasure that cannot be measured in a song. None of them pussy then a bad like way. None of them pussy then a soft like way. None of them pussy then a raw. Life is a treasure. But I will send them, bigger than them, make it sound, defend them, me tie them up and let me lick the puppy season, and there. And a bad man from long time ago. I want to, I like the high touch car. Me I want to run the cowboy here when I try to. You want to see how I touch him right. Alright, I'm in all of the all of them and them when know them no bow. Shove up on the one and say how. Yo, all of the girls them when know them out clean. What more them out I wanna scream. You know me sing, man. This girl walking on me life with a crazy motion love that she found. I know she freaky, but no girl can take me stride. Renaissance, cause all the follow girls have been around. I never once bow one down, so I keep on standing up and stay from off that ground. Give me the best gunshot in the air. No girl never sit in your face like chair. She have to find herself. Alright, and last.
All who not like informers, I put up on the hand. All of the Renaissance gang, me tell them all who not like informers, I put up on the hand. Renaissance kill them and sing, so we stay. We don't rubbish out about the boy anyway.
No matter where soldier or police want say, what are you about the boy, you know that must say today. The Renaissance get it, that's how we stay. We don't run fish out about the boy. No matter where soldier or police want say.
And yo, why didn't you give them soft like a mad bull? My God's told you, black till I'm baseball. Renaissance, put them a come and box on like the bull of Chicago. Go sit down and back down my train. You know, train. You know, just to see I stay Pepsi. And yo, one time, you know my style, DJ Kareem. And yo, why didn't you give them soft like a mad bull? My God's told you, black till I'm baseball. Renaissance, put them a come and box on like the bull of Chicago. Go sit down and back down one of them punk your ass. Them all are dressed like a so Renaissance wago. Don't get up in at them bago. See them all the race, you play the bulls of Chicago. From Jordan retire, them flap like cargo. But if them did not take them out, the member black right now. Shut up in at them bago. Cause me got them jumbo. Look them out of black right now, let them in a combo. Left, take it, load up them combo. This Renaissance show, where you walk around go. But I never people, the real man are jungle. Miss the mind to Renaissance and get your humble. When I get my dress like a sissy on a rumble. Big conflict done possible, we not humble. When the sun get tumble, swell. Put them a come and box on like the bulls of Chicago. From Jordan, they try to put a flap like cargo. Heard them all a dress like a so Renaissance wago. And all me hear me now, them wago. Renaissance, attack them vigilant. 45 Haskell with the lamp, motherfucking niggas you know. One to them Jazzy T, Delano. Dr. Dre, motherfucking niggas you know. Kingston, when them feel like 3D. Shut up, New York, Miami. One to them Bombo, London, Canada, Jamaica, worldwide. Renaissance, Miss Samaka smile, make them make it up, crocodile. Miss Samaka smile, make them make it up, crocodile. Miss Samaka smile, make it up, crocodile. What a style, do no shot a style, me rifle lovey. Hey yo, you know, you need the goggles to sing it. Hey yo, Jazzy T, one time, Delano. Mom, I want to them boy, Dr. Dre, shut up. Me sing, well boy, don't come up in a we magnum boy. Walk up in a me shotgun world. Disrespect Renaissance them soul. You know, I disappear right there.
Morning. Renaissance, we now bump on nobody. Hold on, no guys, and sing this song too. Blood a run through the city like a dunce a fall. This Renaissance make bad man name call. And you come around the carry on the wall. Oh, the Mr. Chatty mode fall. Outside the pump rifle what we have not stall. Like two steel, go to a wall. Dead body back up round a back like a mall. The land and name them can call.
Them start war and believe it who that done the cargo done. Send for your ammunition and gun.
This Renaissance you like that so that's wrong wet.
You get up the mess high the last one.
Me man just calm down. But me sunset memories don't live like people do. And they always remember you. Whether things is good or bad. Boy come play Renaissance and mad. Well then I'll tell them say, hey boy stop live down in the past. Stop remember when man a ride us. Now you dead that mean you're so lost. Touch like a serpent snake on the grass. Move fast. Boy stop live down in the past. Stop remember when man a ride us. When we see the boat here that peep through the glass. One cup of shot yet come on fast man.
I said boy, I said send them come. Boy, come face Renaissance gun, no run son. I said send them come. Well and see how quick boy life done. Well only one mistake them make now when they pass for Renaissance Street. Boom, I run up by them top the read. On the street, well, Renaissance gun no really right.
Go on him. Send them come, send them one by one. I make we show them how the Renaissance stay on them tan. Send them come, send them one by one. Make we put a gunshot in every jump on. Yeah, send them come, send them one by one. Make we kill the whole of them and not no question. Yeah, send them come, send them one by one. Well, when I send them afraid of no man. Pussy, coffee with your one go fan go call and come. We no care if the big one or the small one come. It's a bullet man a fire make them fall pan go. Then say Renaissance I go kill them. I'm envious it I go mad them. Tell them to free up them conscience. Just like a rope it I go hang them. Say Renaissance I go kill them. And Jazzy T I fi go hang them. Kill them and them friend them. Find out enough of them condemn. That one on him. Yo, you're not fi grudgeful and you're not fi envious. Your heart have to clean and you must not. When we no bed up, fire get pregnant. You must be now fresh and go ahead. That one on him. Bring them up and hang them up alive. Couldn't Renaissance them a try fi deprive. Yo, sing them up and hang them up alive. Renaissance kill them, none of them can survive. Yo, sing them up and hang them up alive. Renaissance kill them can't stay alive. Yo, We sing them up high and them up alive. And tell them one more thing again, the one that them sound boy fi get boom. You them say zoom. Fire fear boy no one no pum pum. But him and fi get boom. You them say zoom. We not no silent. You want do something? Me say that one a name. Number one up on the juggling chart. Renaissance sound man and them way attack. Number one up on the kill sound chart. You know she said them sound boy and them a skylark on the chart. Renaissance step on the chart, on the chart. Tell them say we not skylark on the chart. Even though loving how we had on the chart. Them boy they still a dead like shark on the chart. Renaissance kill them bumper flat on them.
Some of them are fool, some of them are cool. This one a sound when I music how we cool. Some of them are fool, some of them are when I sound, don't have trouble make a cause I live the youth I live it. Don't I go away go on like I pick them and we pick it. Tell them about them mama since I free them come free it. Now make me dig it up, make me have to pick it up. Fire up on a shatter where you film and make him lick it. But him and a raper when me want them we flick it. Shut up we see and lick it. Shut up we go see. When I stand. But everything you have me say me have that already. When I want nobody nothing when I spend but him and money. Anything you have delete have that already. Go buy a sound for soul. Nah, I'm no post so all nothing cause me done got me things that pay the car. Me drive it big set and fly out regular. Them wonder if me have things to make some passes stay the car. Hey, we nah beg no boost so all nothing cause me done got me things pay the car. Me drive it big set. Then fly out regular. Them wonder if me have. I go start to the second verse now. Yeah, where them a get me now. Better them go see ma. Big house me living now. Woman a cook me dinner. Pussy all your grudge me not like me no. Suck out your mama. Me not pay no rent boy. Suck out. I not pay me phone bill. Suck out. I not pay me light bill. Suck out. Me Britney them now my stepfather. Suck out. I not sex me be me mother. We not beg a post. Yeah, you know. Me done got.
Renaissance. TG Jungle Southside. Riverton Seaview Garden. Rotted gun we up over them. And the same thing outside man them said. Jungle is them a go murder you anywhere. And the same thing when I say myself. The valley man them murder fool ya. In a big hey yo, Renaissance. See this man class sound boy, why not? Tell a look a fool, don't try that. Hey yo, we don't buy that bad man. Hey yo, run that Delano, Dr. Dre, Jazzy T. One time, Oxtail, tell this motherfucking fool they fail. Run that. Gunshot gonna put them in jail. One time, no crime, it's all fine. Yeah, you know. Renaissance, TG Jungle Southside. Rima, Color Bed, Riverton Seaview Garden. Rotted gun we up over them. And the same things outside man them said. Jungle is them a go murder you anywhere. And the same things when I say myself. The valley man them murder fool ya in a big alley. When the gun in the challenge. Renaissance, we school a confront you what's rival. Make it start as they rank your survival. But I shoot you or not, start any tribal. Delano sick mental when him shoot up central. Try by shooting in the unknown rental. But just like hope and I run up the local. Try to hear them like man local. 21 not and they gun him get out. And some brat take gun we got over them. And the same thing choose land man them say. Marvel in them and the murder you heard me. And the same thing Renaissance.
When they get them to them was Renaissance. I type of look. Them a gather 1-5 type of look. Just like my type of look. Them a tell me are the right type of look. Yo, she get 5 type of look. And her friend get 9 type of look. So she come back for my type of look. And I tell me are the right type of look. Yo, y'all want me picture for free. It's all about that avenue. It's all about that lane. Enough sudden when them just a call up her name. All the burning sun, all in the falling rain. Can't hear him. Y'all want me picture for free. It's all about that avenue. It's all about that lane. Enough sudden when them just a call up her name. All the burning sun, all in the.
Hey, first of all, let me start it. Hey. Woman, I never shy. Put up your hand them high. Woman, I shoot at them and tell them really want to take your guy. Woman, I never bow. Put up your hand them now. You gotta lose them and them shoot them and them get the wickets now. What? Woman, never hard. Can you run this body base? But I'm a jab lot of me. You're not gas. I need them in a cut. You're not to use contact. Because you're very fast. You book up a gun. Them and a ball and then him off the caliber. Tell me what you want. Please tell me what you need. You need. Tell me if I'm good enough for you. Good enough for you. Stop. Do you wanna miss? You wanna this? Or we start up a brand new relationship? I'm in a fixed type bitch, like a rap like switch. Tell the girl them say the Lana. Tell the man girl of them come, tell the champion them come. When them know say till the morning when the sun will get on. Who can stand this for the run? Now no time to give me bone. It's flood up, flood up, flood up. Hey! The girl them a real cause them love how we play. Take a president from feed them highway. Inna me mansion them want come play. But I one thing man I face a girl man a pump. Woman think me match up and swear say me jump. Me can't have me crack as I start and me come. Just put me to the test and swear me a go flow. I guess me want to get ya inna me.
Yeah. So what talk about remix? You can't. I Renaissance man like the land of the original remix. Hey boy, stop talk. I kick your pile. When look on them and tell them say Renaissance. Me need to go talking. I got that mixing. Yeah. I'm not playing. Sure. Hey, my boy. Black off on the song. Black off it. Oh. Look on the Sean Paul friend. But tell them say, these are the tunes that bust the place big. Tune like that and will continue live. When they get the tune, them spin roll like Al grandma who in a false big. This I wanna have it. Shout, remember take me don't talk and them wash out. Renaissance man, them strength no good road. Eat a only for vegetable, eat a only for fruit. And stop all the money, the doctor fish soap. Check out the man, they while they put the roots. That's why me tell them, Renaissance not true, we have it. Girl gone so crazy for it. Had a long donkey card, will we ever brandish? She want it, give her it a 2x4. Want it, well, yeah, 12 bitches and more. Want it, don't give nothing, never better swear. She want her and her hands them all yet. I'm the tell a bad man them know. Bad man pick and chose. Wish in a melon, no what help and move. Gun globalicious that make your life lows. Last time we carry gun junk up and move. Mass over face and him chest bullet probe. The lick up a roll and all that factory shows. Your fire brigade I run like the video, lots of it. Renaissance them too Heigl and build trouble till on hold some life like Kango Heigl and build trouble that's how but I said you don't that I chew with no love jail when I put the one down.
God of mercy, man from TG, Jungle, Rockford, Southside, Seaview, Waterhouse. Renaissance don't talk, well if you're vexed, try jumping on them chest, you Mr. Punk. Welcome and do your next best, we in your distress, we lay you to rest. Buskill 45 me got. Renaissance talk, well if you're vexed, jumping on them chest, you Mr. Punk. Welcome and do your next best, me in your distress, me lay you to rest. Yes, Dr. Dre, them quick fist up bread, yes. And you got to do all your shit. You're sticking on your...
Wagwan ENT.